Linguani. Original courses. Present simple, have, got. Step 2. With he, she, it.
She has got a sword. She's got a sword.
He has not got any weapon. He hasn't got any weapon.
He does not have any weapon. He doesn't have any weapon.
Has it got gunpowder?
Does it have gunpowder?
Subscribe Linguani and get other original courses.